Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to a really quick episode of Decorate with me. I'm Alessandra, and today we are doing a really fun Decorate with me inspired by Adele's performance at the Brit Awards just a few days ago. Such a fun, just easy design. This is a screenshot I found online. The stage was beautiful. It was a glossy, reflective floor, and then this beautiful sequin panel backdrop and that was it. She sat on the piano, she sang her songs, she had, it was just very simple, but it was really impactful, and I thought, we could scale this down really easily and turn this into our own karaoke little station. If you were having a party, you wanted a cute little karaoke bar area, this could be a backdrop for photos, this could be a spot for your DJ. If you were having a party, you wanted a fun DJ setup, and I thought, let me show everybody how to do this, because it's really just about finding the right products and putting them together, and this could not be more simple. It looks really impactful because it's super shiny and it's awesome, but it's actually really easy to do. So, like what we see here, it looks like they were square panels that we see with the sequins in the back. I have these that I found, and Shop Wild Things has these, and by the way, all the products that I'm going to reference in this design are going to be linked down below, so if you wanted to recreate this or redesign this in your own way, you totally could, and it's super easy for you. Okay, so back to the panels. These are, I believe, 1 foot by 1 foot sequin panels in gold with a black back that Shop Wild Things sells. So you can make this as big or as little as you want. So if you don't want to go crazy and have a full wall, but maybe you want some stripes, like you just want panels, or you only need, like, I don't know, an 8 foot by 8 foot section for your bar or your your karaoke section, you can scale this whatever size you need. Now I took this little panel and I shrunk it down to loosely work out to be what I think, a standard kind of 8 by 8 ish would look like a backdrop. Obviously I'm just working with this one graphic so obviously when you have it in person, it's going to look different, but you get the idea where we're going with it. And you can hang this panel wall. These panels all connect together, and most likely you're going to use something like a pipe and base kit, which Shop Wild Things also sells, and those are adjustable depending on what size you need, and you just hang them from there. And then I always like to try to cover my pipe and base whenever I can, and I like to frame things, so you see me use like a black curtain in this instance for that, but you could totally swag this curtain top if you wanted to, but I just like to have it framed a little bit more so that way the edging isn't showing, the pipe and base supports that you're using aren't showing. So whatever you want, put it in there. I think black and gold is just kind of a go-to combination, no-brainer. And then going back to our inspiration picture, obviously Adele is sitting on a beautiful giant piano. You're probably not going to bring one of those in for your party, whether it's at home or at a hotel or a nice property. But I thought we can still get the same effect with a nice premium looking bar stool. So this is just a nice golden black bar stool. It's a kind of a black with a velvet finish. Simple but easy to get into. There's, the supports on the bottom for the ladies for their heels if you needed it. But it's an easy one to get in and out of. You don't have to worry about the arms or anything. So we have that. So you could do this for, I mean, in my mind, I think this is going to be a super fun karaoke bar. If you have a party or after party, this is going to be so fun and easy to do. You could put 2 stools, whatever you want, but you could have a whole little Adele moment and just be up there singing, and it could just be so fun. So, yeah, that's an easy way to recreate what we're seeing live at the Brit Awards in 2022 from Adele. I mean, these stages are always incredible and impactful, but this one is just simple, but really, really just wow, because they just used a beautiful sequin wall like this. And I encourage you to go Google the live performance, the video. I think Adele even uploaded it to her YouTube channel, but the song is I Drink Wine by Adele. So I thought I would share with you guys. So if you wanted to create something and be as cool as Adele, or at least feel as cool as Adele, here is my contribution to your party design. As always, My name is Alessandra. Thank you for decorating with me today. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this for your parties, I often share over the top seasonal and just all sorts of fun decor for all sorts of parties, weddings, anniversaries, Tuesdays. I mean, whatever the reason is, I seem to find a reason to celebrate. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe so you can check out more of my content in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye friends!